Hey, good morning, everybody. Just a really short video. I wanted to explain today's assignment. I know this might be a little conservative, but this is actually going to be Tuesday and Wednesday's assignment. Some people are going to blow through this really, really quickly. Some people need a little bit extra time. This is something that typically in a normal routine, I would probably have this be a 2-day activity. What you're going to do is you're going to use this website that I've been using for years. It's called themint.org. And if you read the Google Doc that I'm going to attach with the assignment, this will tell you to go. This will tell you where to go. I'm going to point this out to you now. The website is going to look something like this. You're going to click on Tips for Teens. And most of what you're going to be using, you're going to find under this Try It tab or the Try It link. Now, there are different ways to get to different activities on this website, and there's a lot. The ones off the top of my head that you're going to be using probably the most, you're going to have the saving calculator, when will you become a millionaire calculator, there's the power of 72 calculator, there's the spending challenge, and I think determining your budget. I think those are the activities that I'm going to force you to use. But there's a lot of other activities that are kind of interesting. There's the what kind of spender are you quiz, the debt calculator. Kids, I've found over the years, have been morbidly curious about the lifespan calculator. It'll tell you at what age you should die. It's weird, as if they're ever going to know that. The Be Your Own Boss challenge, I think, is kind of interesting. So, I mean, there's different things that you could play around with. Your assignment is going to be this Google Doc here. There's a little bit of math involved, so you may want a calculator of some sort. Do pay attention. I'm going to grade this on correctness. Most of the math is going to be done by the website. However, I would like to point out, like number one here, this very first question, Tyler wants to buy a pair of concert tickets for his girlfriend and himself for a tour on July 1st. It is the very beginning of March. The tickets cost $75 each. Parking costs $20, dinner will cost $50, and gas will cost $50 to get there and back. He has saved nothing so far. Between March and June, how much must he save each month in a savings account to be able to afford his trip to this concert? I'm giving you all the information you need. Just be aware, like, not that I'm trying to make it tricky, but I told you that tickets cost $75 each. Pay attention to how many people are going. It's him and his girlfriend. So he's going to need $150 for tickets. So some of these questions I might be playing with the wording a little bit to kind of try to make you think a little bit. There are two questions at the very end. There's actually no way that you can like answer anything. So what I want you to do is to screenshot your Chromebook when you get done with the activity, just to prove that you did it. That's all I want. I played around with my son's Chromebook. I honestly didn't know how to take a screenshot. I asked him how to do it, and he just said Control plus the button above the 6 on the keyboard. I had no idea what he meant, but apparently there is a button above the 6. So for those who don't know how to screenshot on a Chromebook, you would just hit the control button and the button above the 6. Otherwise, I mean, you're all creative enough, you could find other ways to take pictures, but I would like you to take a picture and insert it in this space here just to prove that you completed that part of the activity. Numbers 5 and 6, you're going to have to take pictures. So that's it. Good luck.